Today I am going to teach you the Dinosaur craft. For this you require glue, pencil to mark and one square sheet and one more sheet. Now you have to take this sheet, square sheet, and mark it in between. Mark it in between like this. Now open. Again fold. Both the sides you have to do. Like this. Now open it again. Fold. Now take the pencil and mark from here like zigzag shape. Draw like zigzag shape. And here for the tail and for the legs. With the help of the scissor, start cutting it. This one, just you have to cut till here. Don't cut full. And this also. Make it into the shape. Cut it into the shape. Now open. Now take these two pieces and put the gum here, glue here. Stick like this. Press it. Again here for the face. Press it neatly. For this style, make it upwards. Let it dry. We'll make the face. This face, draw. Now start cutting. Take the glue, upside, you apply the glue like this. This you have to leave a little bit here. Now draw the eyes. and mouth. Stick like this. Here you have to fold it a little bit. Now it is ready. You can play like hand puppet also. You can wear it like this. See, like hand puppet you can play. Thank you.